Good morning, dear friends. We have new update from Tesla Giga Berlin. Brandenburg's economics minister Jörg Steinbach considers the process for Tesla Giga Berlin factory in Grünheide near Berlin to be quote-unquote enormously quick, despite the lack of approval so far. He says the Tesla settlement is a showcase project, and even if there are delays, we can speak of an extremely fast project overall, Steinbach told the German press agency. He continued saying, however, I also understand the point of view of an American investor, Tesla, which, by the way, many German companies are likely to share. German approval processes are cumbersome. I see a need for change here, and I hope that the federal government will tackle this issue consistently in the coming years. End of the quote. 2 years ago, on February 13, 2020, the first trees were felled on the site of Tesla Giga Berlin, and the car factory is now up. According to the Ministry of the Environment, the approval process will take some time, and even after that decision, Tesla must meet other requirements, as I reported last night. If you haven't seen that report, please take a look at my previous two reports. According to Tesla boss Elon Musk, the first cars should roll off the assembly line as early as 2021. Environmentalists and local residents have raised hundreds of objections, including because of environmental risk they see and the water consumption at the car plant and battery factory that Elon Musk is planning there, and it's expected to be the world's largest electric vehicle battery factory. The minister does not share the concerns about water shortages. He says for industrial settlements, especially the size of the Tesla factory, but also for the entire development of the region, water availability must be taken into account over larger regional context, said Steinbach. Water can also be supplied from surrounding areas, provided that it is technically and logistically feasible. The Strasbourg-Erkner Water Association does not see sufficient supply of water for the region and for Tesla as guaranteed if a permit for water withdrawal for the Eggersdorf waterworks were revoked in a lawsuit by the environmental associations before the Frankfurt Administrative Court. For Tesla, the lawsuit has no direct connection to the company. Steinbach also said, I see no connection between the ability of the factory to be approved, meaning Giga Berlin's approval, and this ongoing process. Tests are also currently underway for a new waterworks in Hungersberg. If things go this direction, the water issue will be solved, friends. Musk dismissed fears about the water in an interview with Laschen. That wasn't particularly helpful, Steinbach said. But importantly, Elon Musk and his team at Tesla have responded to residents' concerns and massively reduced water requirements after the papers were first laid out. This is Armen Harian reporting from TalkNews.com. Please subscribe to our channel for daily Tesla news. Ring the bell so you don't miss my coverage. Have a wonderful day. God bless you, everyone. And let's move on to our next Tesla story. See what I have for you. Growing at Tesla Giga Berlin to a degree that even politicians now talk and say something has to change and to speed up the Giga Berlin's approval. Environment Minister Jörg Steinbach, who has been a very good supporter of Tesla Giga Berlin, said with reference to Tesla Giga Berlin, we have definitely a need for change in current regulatory law. It should be possible to make changes to construction plans in the current approval process without having to start the process all over again. And this is a great point, because that's what exactly happening at Tesla Giga Berlin. Tesla decided to make change in the middle of the construction process, and then the whole process has to start again. I don't know if this is good or bad for Germany, but things are slowing down and something has to change. So this is the story. Welcome back, friends. This is Armen Harian from TalkNews.com. Please subscribe to our channel for daily Tesla news if you would like to hear daily breaking Tesla news. German publication Stern reports that the Tesla example shows need for change in Germany. With a view to the Tesla Giga Berlin settlement in Grünheide, Brandenburg's economic minister Jörg Steinbach sees definitely a need for change in the applicable approval process and approval law. It should be possible to make construction planning changes in the ongoing approval process without the process having to be completely restarted, says Steinbach. Steinbach told the Handelsblatt publication he expressed understanding for the U.S. electric car manufacturer Tesla's criticism of the slow progress in the approval process for the Grünheide factory. Now, Tesla wanted to start production at Giga Berlin as early as in 2021, but the planning application was expanded to include a battery factory, which lengthened the approval process. According to the Ministry of the Environment, the test is in the final phase. Tesla is building the car factory in Grünheide using early approvals. Environmental groups fear the Giga Berlin settlement will have negative consequences for the environment and the lack of drinking water for the region. Well, then how do you build electric cars, right? In April last year, Tesla boss Elon Musk criticized the length of the approval process. This led to a decision about planning and environmental law in Germany. During a visit in August, Elon Musk basically said it was problematic if new regulations were issued every year and they reached a level where nothing could be done. The rules need to be reviewed regularly. You know, I'm wondering if Elon Musk regrets building Giga Berlin in Germany. I know some of you have commented, friends, in the comment section, and they've said Elon made a mistake. This is a big mistake building in Germany. But Elon has never publicly said that it was a mistake or he regrets, and he probably will not do that. But I wonder what he thinks about this. Anyway, the Giga Berlin is getting close to final approval, but it's taking long time. Brandenburg's economic minister expects further investment from Tesla, among other things. Therefore, the state government wants to review the approval process for the location of the car factory together with Tesla. We want to analyze the workflow and draw conclusions for the future, said Steinbach. In the future, some things should go better than before. You need to do this if you would like more companies to invest in Brandenburg and more companies to invest in Germany. Now, I don't know if this lengthy process of evaluating the whole process again once you make a change is the law only in Brandenburg or throughout Germany. If you guys know, please let me know in the comment section. If you are in construction or know about construction business and you are from different parts of Germany, maybe former West Germany, let me know if you make a change in construction, in the middle of construction or in your planning, you have to go all over the process again. So this may be something only for Brandenburg or from former East Germany. I don't know. So what do you think about this? It's good that politicians are calling for change in the approval law because Tesla and Giga Berlin surfaced a lot of issues that other companies are watching. What if Google wants to make an investment there? What if other electric giants want to make an investment and say, look, it took Tesla more than 1 year to get the final approval. Although, to be fair, we have to say that Tesla didn't have the full plan earlier and they got a lot of preliminary approvals, which I support. I think it's a great thing, smart move, and they have got this far. So basically, this is just about 1 year, a year and a half that Tesla is building the Gigafactory Berlin, and they have done great advance so far. So let me know your thoughts, friends. This is Armin Harayan from TalkNews.com. I'm going to look at Handelsblatt's full report to see if there is anything more interesting I will report. So please subscribe to this channel for more follow-ups on this. We bring Giga Berlin follow-ups at least several times a week and daily Tesla breaking stories. And look what I have for you to share after this. Please subscribe to our channel, give us thumbs up, and let's move to our next breaking Tesla story.